This is Legal Talk, brought to you by the Cochran Firm and News 4.
Hello, and welcome to Legal Talk. I'm Ryan Wagstaff, and I'm here with Joe Lane from the Cochran Firm. So a friend of mine found a baby squirrel in their yard and is wanting to keep it as a pet. What are the rules in regarding that?
So Ryan, the states generally regulate what animals can be kept, what wild animals can be kept as pets. In Alabama, they have a list of animals that are prohibited. And if you're not on that list, if the animal is not on that list, the animal can be kept as a pet. Now, where's that list in Alabama? It's at www.outdooralabama.com/prohibited-animal-regulation. If your animal is not on that list, you can generally keep that animal as a pet. Now, there are other regulations, both federal and state, that prohibit endangered species, possession of endangered species, and certain exotic animals. That may be separate from this list, so you have to keep that in mind. As for the answer to the question here, as whether or not squirrels are prohibited or not, squirrels are not listed on the list as squirrels, but wild rodents are prohibited on the list. So the answer is pretty clear. Squirrels cannot be kept as pets. You can temporarily own a squirrel or possess a squirrel for purposes of nursing it back to life, back to health, for purposes of releasing it back into the wild. But that may be difficult in this situation when it's a baby squirrel that you've raised up to an adult.
Okay, thank you, Joe. And if you have any more legal questions, please feel free to call the Cochran Firm at 673-1555.
Thank you for watching this edition of Legal Talk.